My name is Felix Nilsson and I work as a software research engineer for smart manufacturing at HMS Labs. I would like to introduce to you the HMS Labs Stacklight monitoring demo that is used to illustrate non-intrusive process monitoring and data analysis, combining edge AI processing and 5G communication. The problem we're trying to solve is that data from machines on the factory floor is usually not accessible. The machines might lack connectivity or be under a maintenance agreement which prohibits tampering. But with the aid of computer vision, you don't have to make alterations to the machines in order to collect your KPIs. This demonstrator is built around an industry model of a high bay warehouse where goods can be collected and delivered to and from different locations, and is one example of a real industrial setting. The status of the operations is indicated via a stack light. Green for normal operation, yellow for idle, and red for errors. A video camera is used to monitor the warehouse, detect the stack light, and identify the state of operations by using AI on the edge. Obviously, other kinds of KPIs could also be identified in a similar manner. In order to process the data from the video camera, we're using a standard HMS wireless router 5G that has been enhanced with an NVIDIA graphics card, where an AI model, which has been trained to identify stack lights, is running. Finally, the processed data is sent over 5G and the KPIs and related statistics are presented on a screen. At HMS Labs, we want to stand at the forefront of industrial information and communication technology, and we are always open to collaboration. Together, we can lay the foundations for a smarter manufacturing future.